Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Holly, aka Hero Girl, on Dress to Impress from Polar Express. So I actually have not watched this at all, but I've seen a few clips. So select this hair and color it. I think I did like a darker brown, 574639, and this one in the same color. Position the Z to 0.49, and I scaled it down a little bit to 0.32 because it's not as like big like her hair. Ignore what it looks like from the back, okay? For the sleeves, we're going to use this and this color, A25E50, and then I just did this blue for E5D6F, and then for the trims, I think I might make it a little bit darker so it matches like the lace a little bit more. Grab this skirt in that same color as the sleeves. Then go to the coat section, use the Lolita corset, and we're going to color the first three toggle the same, and then the rest this blue color, and the bow as well. I think I might again just adjust this just a little bit. Actually, this is already the darker color, so that's fine. Then I'm just going to add some bunny slippers. It's a little bit darker, I think, than her like dress, so we're going to stick with maybe this and maybe color it white. Okay, I'm just going to do like a lighter version of it. It's not going to look super similar. Let me actually see the reference photo that I have. Okay, it's like, okay, I think that works for the nose and inner ears. Let's just do the like brighter pink, the same as her dress. And there you go. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.